Well, now we're looking at Mount Evans, and that's where we're going up there. Well, we're headed up to Mount Evans. The RVs are so far up there, they look like birds. Coming up to the top of Mount Evans here. There's the top, and we're almost there. What a view. Careful there. Almost to the top. See the goats up there? Highly recommend driving the highest road in North America, which is where we are right now. Looking at a glacier here after the Hodder Goats. This is what's called an alpine tundra. Tundra meaning place where not much can grow. Russian word. Also, Russian is my force cat. Almost to the top here. Almost to the top on Mount Evans. This is some alpine tundra. It's just breathtaking. We're hiking the Chicago Lakes now. Excuse my breathing, I'm really high up right now. We're here at the Chicago Lakes. Wow. Highly recommend coming up to Mount Evans. This is one of the best places ever. Yeah, it looks really refreshing. Now, we did not book this GOAT guide. It was just sort of there, but I'm not sure if that's something you can book with the National Park System. I'm not sure if this GOAT is a ranger, but highly recommend Mount Evans, especially with the GOAT guide. I didn't really see that as an option at the beginning, but I think if you just go to Colorado Lakes and watch for the GOAT, they'll hopefully be able to provide you the same level of service they provided us. Very much appreciate this GOAT for leading us on this hike there and back. Rocky Mountain. We found another GOAT, and keep your eyes on the road. Well, we made it to the summit of Mount Evans. 14,130 feet. Highest I've ever been. Literally. Well, here's an interesting. So this was one of the most interesting things we found. This is like a Peugeot mid-size pickup, and I'm almost sure it has a diesel. I don't know if FCA is looking at bringing it over, but you do see a lot of testing vehicles on Mount Evans because it's the highest road in North America. So really interesting to see what, I guess, Stellantis has up their sleeve with another mid-size truck competitor. Definitely welcome it to the market. Appreciate you watching this video, and we'll have weekly content coming up. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and have a nice day.